Welcome to Columbus Yachts Rentals. My name is Faisal.
And I am Rukaya. Columbus Dubai Yacht and Boat Company is in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and it was established in 2013 to add a better and prominent service in the marine experience. It aims at giving a variety of entertainments with a genuine professionalism for the leisure of people. It has always been our pleasure to offer you the luxurious, comfortable amusement with high performance and adventure. Our skilled and qualified staff will welcome you aboard, and thereby we are committed to create a safe, friendly, hospitable and positive environment. Our luxurious yachts are utilizing the latest safety and navigational equipment according to the UAE Coast Guard rules and regulations. By choosing Columbus, we promise to give you the best seashore service. A chilled voyage along the seashore to catch a glimpse of the beautiful Burj Al Arab, the altitudinous Burj Al Khalifa and the 300 man-made walled islands. Be a part of our cruise and enjoy the best adventure in few hours.
So why should a person choose Columbus?
Choosing Columbus will be the best choice because we are highly driven and innovative, safe and peaceful. We have the fastest customer service and will give you the best experience in just few hours. Our staff will never rest until you are satisfied. We operate at your own command.
Apart from this, do you give additional services?
Yes, we do. And our additional services are decorations. We offer the best event decoration that will suit your theme with flowers of your choice and at your own command. We also do catering, providing mouth-watering food varieties, barbecue, seafood, from the best chefs that will suit your taste buds. Transportation is included. One call and we'll be at your doorstep with your choice of vehicle to take you to enjoy our service. Entertainment also. After food, cruise, then music. So choose Columbus and you will enjoy the music of your choice, be it rock, country music or old school. Is it a DJ you want, or a belly dancer to watch, or simply instrumental artist? Join our cruise and groove. Then photography. Valued memories, they say, must not be forgotten. We can capture your memorable moments with the high-resolution cameras and deliver it to you. And finally, events. We organize party events for birthdays, wedding receptions, anniversary celebrations, and bachelor parties. So why wait? Call us right now and we promise to give you the best service.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.